Such serenity and peace feels like Vaikunta on earth.
Student, huh?
Aren't we all his students?
Okay. You're playing the character in the drama?
Aren't we all playing one or the other character in his drama? Manava, were you talking to someone?
Yeah, to my mother.
Mother? Can we talk to anybody?
Yes, you can talk to anybody.
Can you talk from anywhere?
Of course you can.
And at any time?
Yes, as if you did not know.
Manava, one request.
Hey Dinesh, Sairam, just your missed call and your message. Wanted to let you know, brother, that I'm actually not getting any idea what to write. Possibly, maybe nothing that significant has happened in the recent past. I think we still have a week to go, right?
Maybe something manifests within this time.
But looks a little tough this year. I'll surely get back. Thank you, Sairam.
यार न्यू से बात कर ले यार, सुबह से रूठी हुई है. एंड ऑल्सो बाय द वे टुमारोज भजन्स, यू आर कमिंग ना?
अरे भाई कितने बार बोलूं? I don't have time for all that. It's a working day and I'm just too busy.
Try na, try coming for the bhajans. See, she has come. Just talk to her. I have to take one call. I'll be around.
Hi.
Chachu, remember tomorrow is 2nd December, my birthday, and you had promised me an outing.
Of course I know, beta. In fact, you'd be surprised. This is my diary, you know. Wednesday, Nihu's time. But until then, पापा को तंग मत करना. Be patient and be a good kid.
Okay.
चलो, bye. Take care.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, I wanted to ask you something.
Ask, no. Why are you standing there and not asking anything?
Sir, a childhood friend of mine is actually arranging for a get-together, and I would like to be a part of it.
Okay, go if you want. It's a couple of hours only, no? You okay shifts around there, yeah?
Sir, actually, it's in Chandigarh, and I was about to ask you for an entire week off.
What are government holidays for? Ever since I got to the city, it has been frustration after frustration. Family problems, money problems, personal problems. Still, I've never taken a single day off. 3 years, not a day off. Leave it here. Now think about it.
Thank you, sir.
I should never have left Parthi.
Hey Alexa, what's the date today?
Tuesday, the 1st of December.
Hello?
Hey, hi Pranay. I hope I didn't disturb you this time.
No, it's okay, sir. How are you doing?
I'm good, Pranay. I just called to remind you for tomorrow's exhibition.
Yes, sir. All set, and I'm looking forward to it. I'll be there. Yeah.
Nice. Next month's edition is waiting for your feature review.
Yes, it's almost ready, and I have thought of a nice title as well. I think we'll name it From the Art to the Heart.
Oh, that's amazing. I love the title.
Yeah, I'm sure you'll like it. I'm sure you'll like it, yes.
And I hope the content is equally good.
Yes, absolutely. I'm sure you'll love it.
Great. I wish you all the best.
See you. Good night. Yeah.
Oh, now that I have to go to that art exhibition also. वाह, इन्वेस्टमेंट एनालिसिस भी मैं ही करूं, उस वाइस प्रेसिडेंट के चोचले भी मैं ही झेलूं और इस कामचोर एनालिस्ट की कमी भी मैं ही पूरी करूं। ये लोग मुझे चैन से मरने तक नहीं देंगे। शमशान में मेरी आरती पर भी ये लोग लास्ट में कुछ पेंडिंग लेकर आएंगे, तो ये चीज क्या है? जाएंगे, चले जाएंगे, चलेंगे। December 2nd आर्ट एग्जीबिशन, अरे चलेंगे।
Remember tomorrow's 2nd December, my birthday?
Hey Krishna, my Jagannatha. Can you hear me?
I can always hear you, Narada.
I am blessed. My eyes were yearning for your darshan. Where were you all this time?
Where can I go that I have not been to, Narada?
But Vasudeva, I searched everywhere.
I miss those days when you were the mischief maker. But like Vikram, Shreyas and Pranay, you too have forgotten how to look for me.
Oh Madhava, guide me to your abode of Prashanti.
Come, let me remind you how to find me. Watch closely the beautiful privilege of a possibility.
Hey Dinesh, hi. Hi. I am actually at an event. Yeah. Let me call you back during the day. I'll do that. Yeah. Sure. Yeah. Sure. Thanks. Sairam. Yeah.
Excuse me.
Yes.
I don't know if I misheard it, but did you say Sairam?
Yeah.
Oh, the last time I heard somebody say Sairam was at my graduation.
Alumnus.
Yes, Shreyas, 2010 batch from Parthi.
Sairam. Pranay, 1995 batch.
Oh,
So, you work around here? or-
yeah, I'm a staff member here.
Hey, very nice. Nice to meet you, Sairam.
So I'm guessing you're into art?
Yes, I'm an art critique.
If you don't mind, I think we should totally catch up over some chai, please.
Chalo.
Awesome. And this is the perfect time because in a while there's going to be a lot of rush.
Cool. Just in time.
Brother, 1 minute, huh? Just give me 1 minute.
Sure.
Please help yourself, yeah?
Shreyas? Sairam, bro.
What are you reading?
Nothing. Never mind.
Leave all that. I want you to meet someone. Come with me. Come.
Firstly, I didn't think I'd see you here.
I should tell you that. I work here.
Great.
Hi, Pranay. Hi.
Hi, Vikram.
We have another alumnus here.
Sairam, bro.
Hey, Sairam.
Pranay Badar was a batch of
1995 batch.
Oh, wow.
And
Vikram was my junior in college.
junior. So I think, well, both of you were running in school. I'd already passed out, I guess. Well, jokes apart, I do think it's Swami's plan, right? Feels like a mini alumni meet.
In fact, this actually feels like Parthi again, you know? But anyways, it's lovely to meet you guys again here.
But what gets you here?
Mine is a long story. I came here for covering for one of my colleagues who got dengue.
So you're not in art, I guess, right? I can see that. Right?
Yes, but my company is sponsoring for this art exhibition.
Oh, that's lovely. Wonderful.
Someone had to be here.
Yeah.
And how about you?
Well, I'm here for art. By the way, Shreyas is hosting us for some tea. Come, join us.
I'd love to, guys, but trust me, I'm needed there. So, anyways, I'll catch up with you guys in a bit. Sairam.
Sairam. Yeah, Sairam. Tea? Yeah, sure.
अरे नहीं यार, कैसी बात कर रहे हैं? हाँ. Oh yes, I picked them up from the school. Yeah, we are at an exhibition nearby. Oh, they're having fun looking at the art.
Chachu, remember tomorrow is 2nd December, my birthday? You better not forget.
अरे नहीं भाई, उल्टा है. आजकल वो लोग हमें सिखा देते हैं. Yes, there's so much to learn from them. बस बोलता नहीं हूं, नहीं तो सर पे चढ़ के बैठेंगे. और बाकी? नहीं, sure.
You're the light, my sunshine.
Hey, who's this princess?
Princess Nehu.
Hello, Princess Nehu.
So, she's my niece, Niharika.
Hey, beautiful.
So, Nehu, this uncle is here to see all these paintings and decide which is the best one.
So which painting did our Princess Nehu like?
None.
Okay.
To be honest, even for me, everything looks the same. So, which one is your favorite, by the way?
I like most of them, but come, I'll show you my favorite. Hey, this is the painting I was referring to. It has an uncanny intrigue, if I could say so, right? The Baroque flavors that kind of, evokes a feeling of awe and grandeur. The deep and vivid colors are like those of Van Gogh. By the way, I hope I'm not really bothering you with too many technicals.
No, not at all.
If you were to really ask me, right, this painting is from the Kandinsky style of painting, which actually represents spirituality being infused into art. I just love the door of her heart, which artist is trying to represent as if God is waiting to break through at the just right moment.
But uncle, where is the handle of the door?
Handle, beta, it's not that important. I think so. It's fine. It's fine as it is.
But my Balvika's auntie told me that God is waiting for us to open the door from inside. But my Balvika's auntie told me that God is waiting for us to open the door from inside.
The last time I heard somebody say Sai Ram was at my graduation.
I do think it's Swami's plan, right? Feels like a mini alumni meet.
In fact, this actually feels like Parthi again.
जिसको मैं बिसरा चुका धड़कनों के राग में तू गा रहा मुझ में ही
మీ గ్రామం పోయినా కూడాను ఎక్కడ పోయి మీ ఉద్యోగం చేసినా మీ వెంటనే జంటనే ఇంటనే ఉంటాను.
You may go to any village, you may take up a job anywhere, but Bhagavan is always with you.
ఆ భావాన్ని మాత్రం మీరు భద్రంగా చేసుకోండి.
Treasure that feeling, that thought.
నా వెంటనే ఉన్నాడు.
Swami is with me.
Hey Jagannatha, how wonderful is your play. You are the divine director and you hold the strings of our destiny.
I am everything you want me to be, Narada. All I need is one moment of connection, heart to heart.
Oh, Madhava, this is the very same lesson you taught me about the farmer and pot of oil. But forgetful that we are, you each and every time teach us patiently.
Indeed, Narada. While you look for me elsewhere, my dear children too forget me. Yet, I wait patiently with all my love in each little moment. In you, around you, beside you, no matter where you are. As your society, as your family, as your work, and as you. Anta Swami Pani.
Sairam Dinesh, I know you have been following really long for this year's Vidyulekha edition, and I couldn't send anything. Thanks so much, brother, for all the follow-up. I think I'll send something.
To Sai with gratitude. Bangaru, you beckon in a tenderness whole. A glance, a smile, a touch of grace from above. The alchemist divine, supreme master of soul, at thy feet we kneel in surrender and love. O Sai, no matter the storms in the horizon, Thou art peace and solace and courage and guidance. As the spring flowers, we blossom to thy sun, to spread the world across thy glory, thy radiance. Words ill suffice to express our heart's gratitude for your care and compassion in carving us perfect, holding us aloft to soar to heaven's altitude as thy torch bearers for this golden age to erect. Living thy message, we offer each breath in ode, holding your hands with every step near or far. The throne of our heart, anoint thy eternal abode. Saima, forever and always, your children we are. Forever and always, your children we are.
What a weird guy. Vasudev.
All I need is one moment of connection, heart to heart.
जय कृष्ण कृष्ण जय कृष्ण कृष्ण मधुसूदन